These are 15 great skill moves you can use to beat defenders, most of which you can find on All Attack. Outside step over. Bring your foot around the front of the ball and lean your body as if you're going to move that direction. Then use your other foot to push the ball a different way. Magidi spin. When a defender is on your back, push the ball behind your leg. Then turn. And use your other foot to push the ball down the line. Berbatov spin. When you're trapped against the line, use the inside of your foot to stop the ball before it goes out of bounds. Then turn, and use that same foot to flick the ball past the defender. Speed elastic. Use the outside of your foot to push the ball one direction. Then quickly move that same foot around the ball and push the ball forward past your opponent. The V. Push the ball as if you were going to pass to a teammate. Then pull the ball back and go a different direction. Pull behind leg. When an opponent tries to steal the ball, use the underside of your foot to pull it back. Then use the inside of your foot to push the ball behind your leg and away from the challenge. Feints. While dribbling, lunge as if you were going to accelerate one direction. Then use your other foot to push the ball the other way. Inside step over. Bring one foot across your body and around the front of the ball. Then use the outside of that same foot to go the other way. Stop and go. When running down the wing, use the inside of your foot to momentarily stop the ball. Then quickly use your other foot to push the ball the same direction. Scoop turn. Start pushing the ball as if you were going to pass to a teammate. Then quickly drag the ball down the line and past the defender. Maradona spin or roulette. When a defender gets too close, use the underside of your foot to drag the ball back. Then turn and use the underside of your other foot to pull the ball away. Outside heel toe. Use the outside of your heel to begin pushing the ball one direction. Then quickly turn your foot and use the outside of your toes to flick the ball past your opponent. Ronaldo chop. When a defender is catching up to you, use the inside of your foot to chop the ball behind your leg and behind your opponent. Elastico. Use the outside of your foot to push the ball one direction. Then quickly move that same foot around the ball and push the ball in the other direction. Roll to heel. When you have space on the wing, use the underside of one foot to pull the ball back. Then use the inside of your other foot to push the ball past the defender. It's just fired. Alright, if you want a more detailed tutorial for any of those skills, you can find most of those videos down in the description. If not, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. I was wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna